Hey guys, welcome to Chai Skills. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the plantain flower or varakumbu. Guys, precaution. While cleaning this, you may end up discoloring your nails and fingers. So make sure you apply enough oil before cleaning. Remove the thick petals and take out the sets of florets. These florets are used for cooking. Now I'll show you how to clean this. Open these florets and you can find some strands inside. Among these, the one with the head should be removed. So this is the one with the head. So I'm pulling it off. And the cover which pops out also has to be removed. Usually the strand with head will be the tallest among them. Make sure you remove the strand and the cover which pops out, else you will end up with upset stomach. As you clean the plantain flower, you find that the florets are becoming smaller and tender. These tender ones don't harm, so you can use it as such. And the white cone can be chopped and used for cooking. This is how you clean the plantain flower or varakumbu. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Stay tuned.